So in this matter, in this regard as well, the report should be sent, should be prepared properly and sent. I don't think that regarding the 90% of these students, they have not been fully informed as to what they are doing. If the report is prepared and the secretaries of the Waqf know, they should prepare it and send it to the Markaz. Similarly, and for the Waqfin know, whether they are a student studying in Jamia or having some other education, the religious education is very essential, and for them the syllabus has been prepared. First it was up to 15 years, now for up to 19 years the syllabus has been prepared. They have to study that and give the test as well, and this can further be extended up to 20 years. So taking part in that is very essential, and the effort, the secretaries of the Waqf know, their effort should be that 100% participation in this system should be there, and the results should be sent to the center. In different times, while this central department in the Markaz, they from time to time they send certain guidance, and many Jamaats they do not send their reply. For the reminder, I tell, although I have mentioned some of the points before, but the circulars, those which are sent, I present those circulars once again. For example, one instruction is there that that it is essential for participation in this system that the parents in writing themselves they should request for to be included in this scheme. And sometimes the requests are sent after the birth of the children. They say that we had forgotten, we didn't know. It is very essential that the application is given before the birth, and only those applications are accepted, and that has been the principle of this department from the very beginning. I would like to mention one point here, that some people write to me regarding this matter. Sometimes they write some other things as well in the same letter, because these departments are different. The department of Waqf Now will take care of those matters related to them, and other departments are different than that. Therefore, and those men and women, those who write about their children in Waqf Now, if they have to write some other thing, some other point, then that should be written in a separate letter. It should not all be mentioned in one letter. And then the boy and the girl, the parents, they should request, and the request from their other relatives would not be accepted, because it will be the responsibility of the prayer that has to be done by the parents, not by others, because the prayer and the talim and the tarbiyat is the responsibility of the parents, not of others. And then in some areas in Africa, in some other places, sometimes the instructions are not carried out fully. They just write down their names, that they simply write down the list of that, and if the child is born, they include their name as like. Unless the information is given to them from the center, no child can be included in the Waqf Now unless the information has been sent from the center. And those people who are children who are adopted, if they are from the other family members, so their information should also be given before the birth of the children. Although you have adopted those children, somebody has taken it, but the name of the father should be the same, that person who is the real father of the child. The name should not be changed. And after the birth of the child, it is very essential that the parents, they should get their name registered in the center and give the reference number. The parents sometimes they do not get their names registered, and then despite the repeated reminders, and after several years they come with the complaint that there is no record of our children. So this is also the responsibility of the parents to properly get the name registered in the central office here. Similarly, when the children are 15 years, then the local secretaries, they should renew the pledge I have already mentioned, and those who are studying in schools and colleges after the finishing of their education, they should, when they finish the education, they should also renew their pledge. Now this record there needs to be updated, because and it is very essential that we have to keep this record up to date, because without that the requirements and the schemes and the planning of the Jamaat, we cannot do it properly without that. And we cannot find out in how many people we need in a particular section. If they don't inform us, we can't have that information. Sometime the children, is somebody, there are disabled children, it's a very sad occasion for the parents, so those children are not included, although it is a double sadness for them. Allah Almighty give them something better and replace that with something much better for them. And those people who get this penalty of they are thrown out of the fold of the Jamaat, and then the names of those Waqf-e-Nau children, they are also taken off the list, because those parents who did not bring them to that standard of discipline where the full obedience to the Jamaat and the respect of the administration of the Jamaat, then how such parents can look after their their children? So it should also be noted down that if there is anything like that happening in some case, that regarding there is some decision about a person that a person has got no relation with the Jamaat, then this is the responsibility of the secretary of the department to immediately inform the center about that. And similarly, I have already mentioned that those who want to go to the universities, they can seek permission and seek the permission and then go for it. And those who have finished their study in the universities and they have already confirmed their desire to continue be a Waqf-e-Zindagi, then it is responsibility that they should frequently in touch with the Jamaat. Now we are they should let us know for how long they have been working. Most of the majority of the people are allowed to they are allowed to continue their work, but they should keep us informed regularly. Similarly, the people in other pursuits, those who cannot have higher education, but if they are going to some technical skills and other professional areas, if they have gone to that, they should also, after finishing their training and attaining their diploma, they should inform the center. Allah Almighty, all these Waqf-e-Nau, the Waqfat, make them a good, useful person of the Jamaat, and also enable us that these people who are the trust of the Jamaat, those are the trust of the nation. We have to look after them by way of good training and education, and also enable us to make them, we should be helping them in order to make them the useful member and the person of the Jamaat.
Alhamdulillah, 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 nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa nu'minu bihi wa natawakkalu alayhi wa na'udhu billahi min shururi anfusina ومن سيئات أعمالنا من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له ونشهد أن لا إله إلا الله ونشهد أن محمدًا عبده ورسوله عباد الله رحمكم الله إن الله يأمر بالعدل والإحسان وإيتاء ذي القربى وينهى عن الفحشاء والمنكر والبغي يعظكم لعلكم تذكرون اذكروا الله يذكركم وادعوه يستجب لكم ولذكر الله أكبر